sharing.
So what
Yes.
lessons did you get, Piyush, from this experience that you had?
Yeah, I also, like observed, like I haven't slept that night, and I was thinking कि वह अभी farm में जाता हूँ, and I shout on my farm worker, and he repeat that mistake again and again. So I
Hmm.
changed my way to talk to him. Like I said, वो उसको बहुत प्यार से समझाना चालू किया है अभी कि see, if I am like I told you, I am in loss from last 2-3 years, but I have that zeal कि I'll make it profitable this year.
Hmm. Right.
And he said that कि अगर आप अपने फील्ड पे जाके जो इमोशंस आप रेडिएट करोगे वैसा ही आपके साथ होगा. He said that.
Exactly. Wow. Your emotional energy becomes your business energy.
Right, right.
Good, good. Very good learnings. And जो भी आपके लिए ओपन अप हो रहा है ना, वो आपको आपने उसी चीज को इसलिए ऑब्जर्व किया बिकॉज यू नीड टू एक्ट ऑन दैट पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. Good that you
Yeah,
shared this. And जैसे you said that now I am changing the way I speak to my assistants and farm workers.
yeah.
That is radiating your energy. Not about what others do. It's about what you do. Right?
Yeah. And
Yes.
he said that he, oh, from where this sound is coming. And that farmer said that he followed some Raj Didi, I think spiritual or speaker, and he followed, and everything is written down in the paper and kept it in his pocket. Yeah, and specifically Black Fortuner and
Yes.
1.5
You
CR.
need to be specific.
And
Good.
and he mentioned date also, like on 25th May, I'll produce like 25 tons or something like that, and he achieved more than that. Right.
Good. So in this process, did you observe that he is not talking about the amount of money? He's talking about the what he's going to do with money. Also the
Yeah.
outcome. Like today's message was, instead of focusing on income, you focus on outcome that you're going to create. Now in this process also, what you shared, he wrote down कि इतने इतने तारीख को ये इतना क्विंटल कॉटन होगा या सोयाबीन होगा, जो भी उनका क्रॉप है वो प्रोड्यूस होगा. अभी उसने ये नहीं बोला कि आई एम गोइंग टू परचेज 1 करोड़ रुपीस. सो जब आउटकम आपका गोल होता है ना, तो यू आर कमिटेड टू द प्रोसेस रिलेटेड टू आउटकम. जब आप मनी गोल रखते हैं ना, तो आप बैठ के बस सोच रहे हो अभी तो मैंने लिख दिया, अब तो पैसा जरूर आएगा, एंड यू डोंट फील द मोटिवेशन टू डू. So here the story is different. That's why visualization law of attraction doesn't work for some people who think that सिर्फ मैंने पैसों के बारे में सोचा तो पैसा आ जाए. But people who don't keep their income as a goal, but keep outcome that I'm going to produce, which will fetch me that income, then it will be effortless manifestation. So he focused on having that particular quintal of जो भी crop.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And one thing he said at the time कि एक बार उसको प्लांटेशन या कवर करने के लिए पैसे नहीं थे, एंड ही वाज थिंकिंग कि अभी क्रॉप खराब कैसा करेंगे, ये हो जाना चाहिए. एंड वन एक व्यापारी ने उसको फोन करके 5 लाख रुपए दिया कि यू जस्ट टेक इट. तो
Oh,
वो बोलता है कि मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया कि ये कैसे उसका फोन आया और कैसे उसने मेरे को, आई एम ऑलरेडी इन डेप्थ, लेकिन मेरे को पैसा कोई नहीं देने वाला, तो उसने मेरे को पैसा दिया पहले उस समय पे.
just set an intention and universe will take care of you.
Yes, that is what he said.
Yes, the universe will take care. The universe will make people move, things move for you, for fulfilling your desire. If your intention is right, his intention was good to protect
Yeah,
the crop. So the intention
yeah,
was not मुझे ये मिलना चाहिए. The intention was अगर ये crop protect हो गया, तो this can be useful for many people. And out of that intention, he got the support of the universe.
Right.
Right? Many takeaways from your sharing. Thank you very much for
Yeah.
sharing the story. And this is useful for everyone. I hope that today's visualization session also gives you such insights of action steps you need to take today.
Yeah.
And also after your sharing this thing, cleaning process is not just about your surrounding, your environment, your things. It is also about your mind, it is also about your word, it is also about your energy. So what you shared was really powerful, that he stopped saying negative things to his crop. And this is
Yeah.
scientifically proven also कि अगर आप प्लांट्स क्रॉप आप खेती करते हैं तो व्हेन यू व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट, अगर आप प्यार दे रहे हैं आपके प्लांट्स को, क्रॉप्स को, एंड यू आर फीलिंग दैट ये अच्छा होगा, तो द क्रॉप विल रियली फ्लरिश. Many spiritual practices are around this. Many people, many farmers are doing this practice. So there is one person who is known to me. His name is Lahoti, Mr. Lahoti. So he does his farming in the area near Mumbai, and what he does is he is associated with Brahma Kumari. So he has arranged the tape recorder for his farm and the crop. तो और टेप रिकॉर्डर के उसने स्पीकर्स लगा के रखे हैं ताकि क्रॉप्स उस म्यूजिक को सुने. तो हर वक्त वो स्पिरिचुअल या जो भी म्यूजिक, इंस्ट्रूमेंटल म्यूजिक सुनाते हैं वो क्रॉप्स को.
शास्त्रीय संगीत
क्लासिकल,
और
हाँ, शास्त्रीय संगीत और सारे जो है. तो उनका कहना ये, जब उनसे बात हुई थी, कि उसमें से जो पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशंस जो आते हैं, वो क्रॉप्स को जो वाइब्रेशंस मिलते हैं तो उनका ग्रोथ बहुत अच्छा होता है. एंड ही इज डूइंग इट फॉर इयर्स एंड ही सेड दैट मतलब उनके क्रॉप का जो ये है प्रोडक्शन बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया जब से उन्होंने ये प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट की.
Yeah, there is one practice like people used to do Agnihotra, yag, that cleaning as a morning in the evening, and they used to spread the ash, राख उसका पूरा पानी में डालते हैं, and then the charge of that water become positive. And whenever you show like अगर आपके कुएं में पानी नहीं है तो you just go and put some गोमूत्र and milk and ये डाल के, and if you pray from that well, it will automatically get recharged.
So it is not about
And
the ash,
the
it is
energy,
not about the
yeah,
things.
the energy
Energy
you
और
are
आपके
giving,
thoughts, your thoughts.
yes,
So the power
yeah,
lies in you. The power lies in your thoughts. The power lies in your emotions.
yeah. So there's two things like negative energies and positive energy in farming also. If you give a
Yes.
positive energy, it will like flourish. If you touch, there is one thing, if you touch your crop daily, or you
Yes.
just walk around them and talk to them, it will grow automatically.
Wow. बहुत ही बढ़िया. चलो. So Piyush, you are going to share in this group only. After some days, what actions did you take for your
Yeah,
crop?
definitely. Yeah,
And now
definitely.
that you are declaring here, there are more chances that you will take more empowering actions. You got many
Right.
ideas also. So what actions you are going to take in your farm are also the same actions in different format that you are going to take in your business.
IT business, right.
Right? So that both of them, look at both of them as plants and watch them grow.
Yeah.
Apna business, your business is also your baby. It is also your child. If you give
right.
nourishing energy, it will grow and it will empower the world. Of course, returns आपको मिलेंगे. Right?
Yeah.
Look at your business from that point of view and your perspective will change the outcome you create. The outcome will change the income you get.
Right.
Right? Anyone else to share anything, or what did you learn from this? All right. Everyone is engrossed. Good. Good that you are trying to absorb.
That we will share during the weekend.
Yeah.
Now, after we have done this exercise, I mean, I would like, yeah. So I think today's inputs incorporate in work till yesterday, and then share what actions I've taken.
Yes. So the step number 5 is visualization and taking action, right? And from Monday, we are going to concise all these steps in one session. So every day you're in that space. Every day you're in that space. You have to just come in this meeting so that your rituals are done here. All right. So take care. Have a fun-filled and action-oriented weekend. And thank you very much, Piyush, for sharing. Thank you very much for empowering everyone with your learning. And we all are praying for 10x growth of your business.
Thank you.
That is the group energy that you're getting out of today. All right. Take care and bye-bye. Just elevate yourself to be magic.